There are many builders out there, so why would you choose Teal Builders? How about an expert team with more than 50 years combined experience? How about a great reputation and recommendations from other customers? How about someone who's always on time every time? And if that doesn't convince you, how about competitive prices? We work on properties of all sizes, from offices and schools to houses and listed properties for domestic and commercial customers, leaving every site as clean and tidy as it was when we arrived, with a comprehensive service that includes brickwork, doors and windows, extensions and refurbishments, conservatories, loft conversions, new walls, gates and fences, painting and decorating, roofing, landscaping and much more. Projects large and small, we do it all. It can be straightforward or try us with something unusual. We love a challenge. Our customers have kept us busy for all these years because we're not just another building company. See for yourself. Call us now or see our website. Teal Builders, building your ideas.